Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive guide for Linux network socket programming, a GitHub repository brimming with practical examples and insightful explanations. It's, really quite something.
I'm eager to hear this. So what are the core concepts this guide covers? Is it all about the nitty-gritty of sockets, or does it go beyond that?
Oh, it goes way beyond the basics. It starts with a solid introduction to Linux network programming, emphasizing the importance of inter-process communication, or IPC, Then, it dives straight into sockets, the fundamental building blocks. It explains the different socket types, like stream sockets for TCP and datagram sockets for UDP, and how to address them using IP addresses and port numbers. Pretty crucial stuff.
Interesting. And what about the practical aspects? Does it provide code examples?
Absolutely. The guide is packed with practical examples. It walks you through building simple HTTP clients and servers, both TCP and UDP based. It even shows you how to create a multi-threaded TCP server to handle multiple client connections concurrently. It's incredibly detailed, really impressive.
Multi-threaded servers? That sounds advanced. What other advanced techniques does it cover?
Yeah, it's pretty advanced. It also covers non-blocking sockets, which are essential for building responsive applications. And it delves into I/O multiplexing, using both select and poll, offering efficient ways to handle multiple sockets without resorting to threads. Plus, it shows you how to broadcast messages across a network. It's a complete package.
Wow, that's a lot to cover. Does it also discuss any networking libraries like libcurl or OpenSSL?
You bet. A significant portion is dedicated to libcurl, showing how to use it for various tasks, from simple downloads to multi-handle operations and even multi-threading. And, yes, it also covers secure networking with OpenSSL, demonstrating how to build secure HTTPS clients and servers. It's incredibly thorough.
That's impressive. But, I'm a little curious. With all these advanced topics, does the guide assume a high level of prior knowledge?
That's a great question. While it does cover advanced topics, the guide is surprisingly accessible. It starts with the fundamentals and builds upon them gradually. Each concept is explained clearly, and the code examples are well commented and easy to follow. Even beginners can learn a lot from it, though it certainly benefits those with some programming experience.
I see. So it's a good resource for both beginners and experienced programmers? That's a really nice balance.
Precisely. It's a fantastic resource for anyone wanting to master Linux network socket programming. The author clearly put a lot of effort into making it comprehensive and easy to understand. I highly recommend checking it out. It's a treasure trove of information, really.
Definitely sounds like a must-read for anyone serious about network programming. Thanks for the insightful summary.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time with more exciting tech news. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.